lovely people, my name is Amanda and this is my channel Amanda Colours. Did you know that you can find me on Instagram at amanda.colours? I would love to see you over there, and we can check out each other's colouring and it will be a whole lot of fun. Well, I think it would be. So today I have a little bit of a different video for you. It has come as a request from a haul video that I did. Off the top of my head, I can't remember if it was my July or August haul, but I will I will find the video and link it up in the iCards. But I showed some products that I was going to make some zipper pulls for my pencil cases with, and I had a request showing how I was going to make those, so that's what we're going to do today. So excuse the rustling, let's get that bag out of the way. So I had purchased these little blank acrylic discs, couldn't think of the word for a moment there, in some beautiful pastel colors, as well as some colored jump rings that are usually used for making jewelry, but I'm going to make little tags or like charms with them. So I have these pencil cases like most of us have, and I have added these cute little acrylic, you probably can't see it because it's clear, flower shaped tags. I made these myself. I got the tags off Etsy. I bought some of the ball chain, I think that was from eBay, and then I just use printable labels, and I've put those on there, taken off the loop that is on most of them and put that through there. And then I've also bought these white zipper pulls, but they're not pretty and I want them to be pretty. But the issue that I have is that without a pull, the zipper tabs that are actually part of the zipper always go down into this gap, and it's really hard for me to get them out. So I wanted to do something cute and colorful, because I have all of my pencil cases all lined up on a shelf, and I just want it to look pretty because that's just the sort of person I am. So I'm going to quickly take these white zipper pulls off, and I'm sure I will be able to find a use for them elsewhere, or I will pass them on to someone else who might use them. So we've taken those off. The next step is I need to decide if I want to match the case or if I want to have some contrast. I think I would like to have some contrast. So, excuse me while I open this. So these little discs have backing paper on them, so I will need to take that off. But I might do orange, turquoise, and yellow, because that's fun. Okay, that's what I'm gonna do. So I would like to match the jump rings to the discs, so they're the closest that I have, and I'm going to zoom you in, try and do it slowish so you can see what's going on. Okay, so first up I'm going to try and get this backing paper off, which is not easy. Okay, it's starting to come off. Okay, one. Let's see if these ones are quicker. Nope. Oh, come on. Okay, I'm going to pause and take these off and then come back. Okay, I'm back and I have all of the backing paper off the little discs. So let's try putting little jump rings through the hole, and I have a really bad feeling all of a sudden that these are going to be too thick for the holes. Let's see. I have a little pair of pliers here to help. And let's see if we can get it through the hole. Oops. And I don't think it's going to go through. Oh dear. How annoying. Can we do it? Can we do it? Looks like it's almost through. But in the meantime, I don't know if you can see that, but all the coating is coming off, which is not ideal. Let's try from the other side. Oh, it is so close. Okay, let's try another one. This might be a fail. And I may have to brainstorm another solution and do another video, but let's just see. Okay. Come on, we can do it. We can do it, we can do it. Come on. Let me see. So it's most of the, where are you? It's most of the way through. Oh boy. I don't know if you can you see that? I wonder if I then try to just loop it on and close it up. If it will last. It might. So that's pretty cute. Feels pretty solid. Maybe that's all I need to do. Let's do the orange. This one's a bit misshapen now because I've and it's come out of the hole. Okay, I think I need a new one. Oops. So I'll try again. Put it through the hole as far as we can get it. Sorry, this is really difficult to do in camera. You know what? I really feel like this isn't working. Get in there, buddy, get in there. You know you want to. Let me see if I can loop this on. And bring it and close it up. No, I can't. It's come off. Okay, so I guess, you know, in the spirit of being real, and not everything works out. I'm a bit bummed. Let's zoom out again so you can see the table. Oops, too much. So I got one on there, but I think I might have to try and find smaller jump rings or get little discs with bigger holes drilled in them, which is a bit of a shame because that's a bit of a waste of money. Yeah, so it's a good idea in theory, but I need different supplies. Yeah, so that's 6 minutes of our lives that feels a little bit wasted, but I'm going to post this anyway because, you know, life isn't perfect. It's a learning, you know, this is a learning experience, and why not just be real about it? So stay tuned. At some point I will come back to this and yeah, and try to work out a solution, because I mean that's going to be so cute with a bunch of different colors hanging from it. Okay, well, thanks for watching. I've also ruined some of my nails trying to get that backing paper off, but thank you for watching, even though it was a bit of a fail. If you have any suggestions of what I could do or any other options that you think of, let me know in the comments. And if you haven't already, subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will know when I come back with a solution for this. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you next time.